few days ago, I was fishing for a ship's head, and the anchor got caught on the bottom. It was first time it happened to me, so I really didn't know what to do. I tried to pull it all, as hard as I could, but it just wouldn't come out. So what I thought was, well, it's tied to the boat in the front anyway. So if I speed it and let the speed of the boat pull the anchor out, I thought it was gonna work. So that's what I did, and the anchor line got caught under the rod holder, and it pulled the whole thing, and it pulled the bottom piece out of it, and it kind of broke it. I'm trying to fix it. Um, yep, it just comes on. So here's the damage. Okay, the good thing is it's not part of the hull. This is the really thick fiberglass hull. This is just a plastic cover that keeps the water out from coming in, I guess. I tried to straighten that out as much as possible by hand, but when it broke, I guess it kind of stretched some part of the plastic, and it just wouldn't lay very good. Okay, that side is flush now. Okay, it broke. It broke. It's this part that's really stretched out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can just melt here a little bit. Oh yeah. Ouch. It's actually working. I don't really care being ugly from inside. I just don't want outside to look too bad. So I'm gonna use this 150 sandpaper and sand them out really good on this inside. I ordered this from online, from Amazon. I think it was like $6. Yeah, basically, yeah, it's glue. This is great for boats, personal watercraft. Yay, this sounds like mine. So I'm gonna try this. I have never done anything similar to this before. I'm just using common sense. If I put a lot of glue or epoxy on the other side, I don't want it to come out the other side and leak everywhere. So I'm putting some painter's tape over it. So it won't be too hard to take it off later. I'm just gonna put it over the gap right there, just in case. So I'm supposed to mix these two together, and it's gonna become really hard. So I put white poop here and black poop there. So I don't know how. As soon as I start mixing it, I guess it's gonna get hard. So I'm gonna stop talking and get to the. Okay. Look like they're mixed pretty good. So I mean, good thing is, this is inside. So it's okay being a little ugly or a lot ugly. Bye.